In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive past orders on Amazon. Many of us have been in situations where our order history might feel a bit cluttered, perhaps filled with gifts we plan to surprise our loved ones with, or just the overwhelming amount of purchases we've made over time. The good news is, there's a very handy feature on Amazon that allows you to archive orders, making your order history more organized and easier to navigate. Let's dive into the process together and see how straightforward it actually is. Firstly, you'll want to start by navigating to Your Orders on Amazon. This section is where you can see the history of everything you've purchased. It's usually accessible after you've signed into your Amazon account, often found in the drop-down menu under Accounts and Lists on the Amazon homepage. Once you're there, you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of all your past orders, ordered chronologically with the most recent purchases at the top. The next step in this process is to locate the specific order you'd like to hide from your default view. This could be anything from an individual purchase to a batch of items bought together. It's worth taking a moment here to scroll through your list and take note of the details related to the date of order, the items included, and anything else that might help you quickly identify the purchase you intend to archive. Once you've found the order you're looking to archive, you'll see an option labeled Archive Order beside it. By selecting this option, you're effectively choosing to remove the order from your default order history view. Do note that this doesn't delete your order or erase it from your account. Instead, it moves the order to a separate section, streamlining your main list and making it easier to find the orders you regularly need to refer to. After you have archived an order, you might be wondering where you can find it later on. Don't worry, these archived orders aren't lost to avoid. You can always access them by navigating to the View Archived Orders page, which is part of the same Your Orders section. This ensures that your records are always intact, just tidied away for when you truly need them. A quick note for some of our viewers. If you're using an Amazon business account, this archiving feature might not be available to you. Currently, it's limited to regular Amazon customers, so keep that in mind if you're browsing from a business perspective. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your order history on Amazon. By following these few steps, you'll be able to keep your orders organized and your account looking neat. Thanks for spending time with us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.